10 dominant traits that make you a baddie. Before we start, I need you to subscribe to the video so that you can join our channel. Click the bell to turn on notifications so you don't miss any time we upload or go live. Like the video, that really helps us with the YouTube algorithm. Comment to let us know what video you would like for us to cover or what you think of this video. And last but not least, share the video so others can learn a little top 10 medicine. Now let's get into this video. Ever wanted your mom's eyes or your dad's ears? Well, today we're going to look at 10 dominant traits that make you a baddie. Dominant traits are inherited human patterns within the population based on dominance. Half of the genetic makeup determines your visible outward characteristics, one half from your mom and one half from your dad. That means each gene is inherited twice. There are 2 copies that exist, and these 2 genes copies are known as alleles. The alleles are either dominant or recessive. Number 1, long eyelashes. Long eyelashes are a hot trend these days. But did you know that the gene that codes for long lashes is dominant? That means if you have parents with dark hair and long lashes, there's a much higher chance of having babies of the same inherited traits. In men, long lashes draw attention to their eyebrows and jawline, both of which exude confidence and assertiveness. Because men have smaller eyes and larger brows, eyelashes accentuate the eyes, making them more attractive. So if you naturally possess this trait, thank your parents. Curly hair. The gene for natural curly hair is also dominant. Parents with curly hair tend to also have children with curly hair. Freckles. Freckles are inherited when at least one pair of dominant genes exist. They are concentrated clusters of melanin cells and can appear on all skin types. Double jointed. Now this may come as a surprise, but being double jointed is actually a dominant trait. These individuals are extremely extra bendy, flexible, and tend to brag about a trait that is actually dominant. Yet it's a little less popular or a little less dominant in European populations. However, if for nothing more, the next time someone is being extra annoying about being double jointed, pipe them down a peg by letting them know it's a dominant trait and they aren't special. They're just impressively bendy. Brown eyes. Brown eyes, while very common, has always been thought of as being dominant, and scientifically, they are. In the presence of any other eye gene color, brown eye color will always override the other eye color gene. Widow's peak. Widow's peak is the mid-digital V-shaped hairline. It is the result of a dominant allele. The gene contains 2 alleles, one for recessive, one for dominant. If 2 widow's peak alleles are present, or if only 1 widow peak allele is present, the result will be a widow's peak hairline. Dimples. The tiny natural indentations on the cheeks are mostly heritable, meaning parents with dimples have children with dimples. Dimples are among the most adorable dominant natural traits, so much so that people are creating them if they are born with none. The tongue roll. If you are able to raise the sides of your tongue together, then you inherited the dominant gene for tongue roll. Almond eyes. Almond eyes are shaped like an almond and are dominant traits. The eye shape tapers to a point by the outer eye and tear duct and are longer in width and have smaller eyelids. This eye shape is sometimes the envy of others because of their extreme versatility in terms of trying different makeup techniques. Detached earlobes. Detached or unattached earlobes are free earlobes that are movable, as seen with the blue arrows, while attached are earlobes that are attached to the sides of the head. Detached earlobes are dominant. Now, add up how many of these traits you have to determine if you are a natural baddie. If you are, thank your parents, because they too are natural baddies. Or at least one of them are anyway. Now, what percent baddie are you? If you only got one dominant trait, you're 10%. 2, 20%. 3, 30%, and so on. Well, I'm sure you're wondering, what percent am I? Well, I'm a 10 out of 10. I'm a 100% baddie. Now, if we can get this video up to 1,000 likes, we can do this with a part 2. Until then, thanks for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video, leave us a comment. See you on the next video.